how to buy pump token on Toobit. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to log into your account on Toobit. Now head over to this search icon, click on it, and you will be able to find this search bar. Now type your token name. In this case it will be pump. Now click on this. As you can see, click on this pair. After that, wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after that, what you need to do, go to this buy option here. This is the sell option, we need to buy option. Now click on limits and here just set the size that you want to buy of that token, and here you will be able to see the amount that you will be paying of that USDT on your account. Now click here on buy pump. In a few seconds to a few minutes, this token will be added to your funds on your account on Toobit. Now if you prefer to buy with market options, just click on marks here, and you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token, or you can set the amount directly on your account to buy this. So I'm gonna click on buy pump. So this is how to buy pump token on Toobit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.